Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to be talking about the Penis Cleaner by the Bonus collection. So let's get started. So this is the penis cleaner itself, and this penis cleaner comes with 150 milliliters, and it's specially made for sexy games that require a clear beginning and end. The penis cleaner provides a clean and fresh feeling, and at the same time also nourishes the skin. You can use it before or after sex while you are going to the gym, or perhaps any time when your penis needs a refreshing boost. It's very simple and easy to use. Simply remove the cap like so, and simply spray like so. Very simple and easy to use. And once you are finished using, make sure to pop the cap on and it's ready for its next use. Simply spray it onto the penis, and you can use your hands to spread it out, and you can also use the spray in the shower as an intimate soap as well. And that is the Penis Cleaner by the Bonus collection. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.